Hello, everyone. Welcome to Yagentio Training Academy. Do you want to build a career in natural language processing, NLP, but don't know where to start? Are you a fresher or beginner looking for a structured and practical NLP course? Do you want to teach machines to understand human language? Are you interested in AI, ChatGPT, and smart text-based applications? Then this natural language processing course is perfect for you. Course Overview. Welcome to our Natural Language Processing NLP training program, designed especially for freshers and beginners who want to build a career in artificial intelligence and data science. In this course, you will learn how computers understand, analyze, and generate human language using modern AI techniques. What you will learn. In this NLP course, you will master text processing and cleaning, tokenization, lemmatization, and stemming, sentiment analysis for reviews and social media, named entity recognition, NER, text classification and document analysis, language modeling and word embeddings, chatbot development from scratch, introduction to transformers, BERT, and GPT models. By the end of this course, you'll be able to build real-world NLP applications used in today's AI products. Tools and technologies. You'll get hands-on training with industry-standard tools such as Python for NLP, NLTK, Spacey, Hugging Face Transformers, BERT, and GPT models. All sessions are practical and project-oriented. Projects and practical training. This course includes 5+ real-time NLP projects such as sentiment analysis system, resume screening application, text classification engine, named entity recognition tool, AI chatbot using transformers. These projects will strengthen your portfolio and job readiness. Course details. Duration, 10 weeks. Course fee, 28,000 rupees. Certification, yes, industry recognized. Eligibility, freshers, students, working professionals. Career opportunities. After completing this NLP course, you can apply for roles like NLP engineer, AI engineer, machine learning engineer, data scientist, chatbot developer. NLP skills are highly in demand across IT, healthcare, finance, and AI startups. Upgrade your skills, build AI-powered applications. Join our natural language processing course today and step into the future of artificial intelligence. Contact us now. Email contact@yagentiotrainingacademy.com. Call 7418602650 or 8925132650. Like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tech and career guidance. Thank you all.